Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download Roblox Studio on Android. So let's get started. So if you want to download Roblox Studio on Android, then what you can do is just simply open up your browser. Because you can't download Roblox Studio from your Play Store, then what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, now in search bar what you can do is just search for Roblox Studio. After searching for Roblox Studio, now what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is Roblox Studio, and after tapping on that, now in the top right corner of your screen you will find a three dotted icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now you'll find an option which says add to home screen. Just tap on it, and then you can name it anything you like you can name it your name and then a studio name or anything that you like. And after doing that, now what you can do is just simply tap on add and then tap on add automatically. And after doing that, now if you'll just come back to your home screen, you will find Roblox Studio in your home screen. So in this way you can easily add Roblox Studio in your home screen. So now if you'll just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, it will automatically open up your Roblox Studio, and now you can use your Roblox Studio from here. So you don't have to manually open up your Chrome and then search for Roblox Studio and then enter your email address and password. You don't have to do that after following the steps and after adding Roblox Studio to your home screen. So that's it guys, this is how to download Roblox Studio on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.